Okay guys, hello. This is another video, but today we are going to be showing you how to make a fire in 6 quick and easy steps. So let's get right to it. Okay, so step 1. Find the place that you're going to build your fire and then clear it. Make sure it's safe. Make sure there are trees really close by, and get rid of these because we don't want those. Get rid of leaves that are nearby. Make a pile. I want to get rid of this. And make sure it's kind of flat so that when you build your fire, it won't fall over. Okay, so step number 2 is collecting your tinder. Tinder is like pine needles, straw, hay, stuff that's really flammable. Okay, so we have just collected our tinder, and that was part of step 2. And now we're moving on to step 3, which is collecting our kindling, which we've collected some already. Another really good kindling is called pine fat. It's like concentrated sap from a dead pine tree. Okay, so what you're gonna be looking for is stuff like this. You wanna look for branches that have fallen off from trees and make sure they're dry. And in order to tell that they're dry, you can snap it and it'll make a sound and it'll snap easy. Okay, so we just found pine fat right here. My brother picked it up. And this tree is sort of what you want to be looking for, a stump. So now we're just going to kick this piece out. Ow. That hurt. Okay, you put it. You see? Yeah, see that? That is great pine fat. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here's some pine fat. Okay, so we just got this pine fat. It's really nice and beautiful. This stuff's so flammable that you could even light this while it's rainy and still have a decent fire. Okay, so step number 4 is collecting your firewood. So this is real firewood. You should use this if you have it available, but if you don't, if you're out in the woods, you want to use stuff like this. It's nice and dry, like limbs, bigger limbs from fallen trees or live trees, but fallen and dead are better because they're nice and dry. Okay, so for step 5, we're going to build this fire. So you want to take 2 mini of these little branches and put them like that. And then you want to take some kindling, some tinder actually, my bad, and put it on top. And then you want to get more, put it here.
It's a log cabin?
It's called a log cabin fire. So the final easy step is lighting and keeping your fire alive. So first you want to light a piece of pine fat. We just got this to light, and you want to stick it just in there and light the rest of your stuff. Put it in there. once you do that, you want to start putting on bigger pieces of wood. You just want to put like a big piece of wood. And then you want to build like a cabin around it, like this, really close. Okay, and now that the fire is going, it's pretty good. These fires, they're good for keeping warm. And if you want to cook something, you should let it die down and then put your things in the coals. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the content. And if you did, please subscribe and like the video. And in the comments below, ask what content you want next.